Hi everybody. So, to update you, the mermaid has turned white. So when it turns white, it's ready to come out. And I'm going to do this one just like I did that one, where I'm going to try to just bend the mold, the silicone away from the mold. And hopefully this will work out. But you can... I'm going to try to do it opposite so you can see it. And really hope it works out fine. See, I'm just peeling this away. Can't really see here. Little by little. You know, my daughter loves this mold. And she mentioned she would love it on a dresser. So this would be very cool on the front of the dresser, like where the drawers are. Isn't she beautiful? Look at the detail. Oh, I hope I'm not too close. But isn't she awesome? So, may have to find a cute dresser or nightstand and put this mermaid right there on the front, like right where the drawer is. And on this actual one, there's also all sorts of little shells and that kind of thing. So you could really do a cute under the sea kind of thing with this one. So there's that. I might try to put this on something and paint it. Because, you know, on all these scales, I can't remember the name of the kids' book, but they had this fish with all the different colored scales and then like a couple of little gold ones. And I thought that might be really sweet on that. The rainbow fish. Thank you, Gabrielle. So it'd be kind of cute to do that to the mermaid body. So there she is. I just wanted to let you know. There's that. And I posted pictures of this already. But here's how this is. And look at how shiny it is with that clear wax. Isn't that gorgeous? So this turned out super cute. And you know, it just started out as a plain piece of wood. So there you go. Have a great afternoon. Talk to you later.